Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
First, let's assemble that running list of birds likely to be on a telephone wire in the Midwest: American kestrel, European starling, mourning dove, rock pigeon, eastern bluebird, American robin, red-winged blackbird, house finch, various swallows. These are the usual suspects.
Take our lead.
Birds are able to sit on electrical power lines because the electrical current essentially ignores the bird's presence and continues to travel through the wire instead of through the bird's body. A bird's body is not a good conductor of electricity. In electrical power lines, electricity flows along copper wires.
Take our lead.
No moving electrons means no electric current. If that bird stretches out a wing or a leg and touches a second wire, especially one with a different electrical potential, it will open a path for the electrons, right through the bird's body.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Such is the power of Leonard Cohen's "Bird on the Wire," a song that ruminates on the impossibility of freedom in a world rife with tethers. The inspiration for "Bird on the Wire" came from Cohen's time in the 60s living on the rustic Greek island of Hydra.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.